Hello everybody. So today we had a big accomplishment made today on the new hobby shop. Pegboard went in. Every wall surface has pegboard. It's not 100% complete, but it's almost there. Still got some trimming to do. The guys put in a full day and they'll be back tomorrow. So I did a little bit of a time lapse for you to see how well it went, and then we will be getting this interior painted white next. The roof, the walls, everything. Then the wall plates will go in, electricity will be turned on. We'll put lighting up top, and then garage doors, roll-up doors will go in, then the flooring will go in, and then we can start putting our tools and stuff in here and start playing in our new hobby shop. Hang in there.